So before we start creating a Maven project to Eclipse, why is it required to create a Maven project in Eclipse? So through Eclipse, we cannot add directly all the required libraries. So through Maven, we can add all the necessary libraries to develop our Java program. So Maven gives us a file which is pom.xml through which we can add all the required libraries which is necessary for our Java program. So now we'll open Eclipse first. Under Eclipse, we can see the project which is project 1 which has been created in the last video. So if we'll open this project 1, here we can see only the src file and the library files which were only from JDK and Java. Now let's create a new Maven project. Under file we'll go new. Here we can see Maven project, but we will go through others. So there is another way to create a Maven project through others. We can come to this wizard and here we can search for Maven, and under this we can see Maven project. So after clicking on this Maven project, so first we'll create a simple project with archetype. Now we'll click on continue, and here we can see a Maven project wizard. So under this Maven project, okay, we'll choose the catalog as Maven Central, and in the filter we'll search for Maven archetype simple. So we can see three options. We'll go for the latest one, which is 1.5. Now in this new Maven project tab, we have to give some information for our group ID. We'll keep it org.sample. Under artifact ID, we'll pass it as Maven project. So after clicking on finish, we can see all the dependencies and project details will be downloaded. So it will take few minutes to download. So the build is success. Now we can see a new project has been created. Under this Maven project, if I will open, under src main Java, we can see a package for Maven project, and even under this app.java has been created, which is having hello world to print. And even under src test Java, if will see app.test Java. Now if you'll see the JRE system library, it is having all JDK and Java libraries. Now if you'll see the POM, now under POM, we can see the group ID which we have given at the time of creating this Maven project, and even the artifact ID as well. Now under this description, if we want to give any specific description about this project, we can give it here. And we can see under dependency, the JUnit dependency is available. There we can add extra libraries and even all the plugins for Maven. So this is all about the Maven project with archetype. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.